Since I look dugyot. Wait lang. I need to pulbo. So guys, it's me again, Carla, and welcome sa aking channel. So for today's video, guys, this is just a sit-up video. So actually, I have a mask here kanina, kaya lang I remove it. So thank you sa friend ko, kay Romel, for making this mask. Ay, baliktad. Wait lang. So, ayan. Ganda niya, no? Cover na cover. Meron pang stripes niyan, guys. So, maganda. Thank you, Mel. As you can see, ito na naman yung latest upload ko dito sa channel ko. And I'm sorry for not being updated. Kasi, ang daming nangyari sa buhay ko for 2019 and 2020. So, 2020, given na yon na pandemic, COVID-19 is everywhere, and yeah, it's a bit scary para sa atin, but stay safe, stay healthy, and don't go out, guys. So the purpose of this video is to explain why I'm gone for nearly half or more than half year. So ayan, 2019, I don't have job. So basically, that time I am jobless. Pero meron akong small printing business, photocopying business, yun yung nakasustain sa aking daily needs that time. And that time, I also studied. So hindi nasayang yung 2019 ko kasi I finished my uniting and certificate in teaching. Actually, magte-take sana ako ng board exam last March 29, 2020. But it was cancelled by the PRC due to this COVID-19. But I'm still currently preparing kasi it was already rescheduled. So, meron ng date. What else ba? November 2019. So, naging employed ulit ako kasi sa mga reasons na nangyari. My mama was diagnosed a stage 3 cancer, and we were like devastated actually kasi unexpected. So that time, feeling ko kailangan ko na magtrabaho. So ayun, while studying, I am working in the department kung saan connected ako before, and I'm always thankful sa department. That's why, the reason why I feel bad nung binabash yung department na pinagtatrabahuan ko during this pandemic crisis na nangyari dito, because our department is considered as a frontliner. Basic services, social services, yung binibigay niya. So, ayan. Kasi lahat ng blame na pupunta sa department. And it saddens me kasi hindi naman dapat yung department yung sisisihin. So, ayan. Anyways, guys. So, I am here because gusto ko lang mag-properly enter ulit sa aking channel. Kasi I quit making videos for the past months kasi naging busy ako, and feeling ko making a video, editing a video, nalalamon niyo yung oras ko. And actually, hindi naman nilalamon kasi during that time na wala akong ginagawang video kasi nga focus ako nun before sa pagre-review, but unfortunately the exam was cancelled, so wala, hindi nangyari. So ayun. And ngayon, I feel like, what are you freaking doing? You are wasting half of your time doing nothing. And ngayon, wala na nga. So, Aminado ako guys, I am earning sa YouTube and nakapagpundar ako ng aking ring light dahil sa YouTube. Hindi ko yung binili. And some of my money binibigay ko sa nanay ko kasi hindi naman enough yung sahod lang. So minsan kailangan mong mag-extra, like extra. Yes, kasi if nagdepend lang ako sa sahod ko, so hindi, kulang talaga. As in, kulang para sa expenses ng family namin. So, ayun guys. And, yeah. And currently, I am planning to make a video. So, I just wanted to welcome you all kasi thankful ako kasi guys, habang wala akong ina-upload, dumadami tayo ng dumadami and I'm very grateful and I'm very happy. I don't know if I will do some heavy editing on this video kasi sit-up video lang naman to. I'm planning to make a tutorial video right now. But nung nag-umpisa akong sumanang dito, I think you guys should know who I am again kasi parang stranger na ako sa inyo. I am very thankful and privileged na hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin kayo. So guys, if you wanna see more about me and you want to learn more about my channel, so